What is the responsible chromium label? Raw materials are used in a wide range of applications that are directly and indirectly part of the life of millions of consumers across the globe. It is essential that we produce and sell our products in a sustainable and responsible way. The social, ethical and environmental footprint of our products and services cannot be dislocated from the final applications they enable. Our industry has a duty and has set the highest standards to guarantee a responsible product reaches the hands of the users and consumers. We are acting now for tomorrow.
In Aperam, as in many companies, the sustainability program is often divided in three: the environmental aspects, the social aspects, and the governance ones, all summarized as ESG. At Aperam, we consider as key the S, meaning to us health and safety and our people. We are always challenging ourselves in order to improve in this domain. But environmental responsibility is also a heavy issue in our industry, in particular in relation with climate change and global warming. Overall, to us, a responsible company is a company which manufactures products with a high social value and that ponders all its decisions, minding the three aspects of ESG and all its stakeholders.
At Aperam, we are convinced that business success comes with social and environmental responsibility well beyond regulations and in line with our stakeholder engagement. For the social responsibility, all starts with our people and their health and safety. As for environmental responsibility, it's all about using resources wisely, consciously, be it water or mineral resources. That's why we are using in Brazil our eucalyptus-based charcoal from our own cultivated forest trees, and in Europe we are using to the maximum extent local scrap. As circularity is at the core of our strategy, we've even repurchased a global leader in recycling, the ELG Group, which is now part of Aperam Renewables and Recyclable.
Our sustainability performance is regularly assessed and we receive great ratings from all analysts. But among the last achievements, we are quite proud of the way we managed the COVID crisis, which received awards from the ISSF, the International Stainless Steel Forum. Also in 2021, we were the first stainless producer company to be granted the Responsible Steel site-level certification after on-site audits take into account all the aspects of ESG, from human rights to CO2 and biodiversity, via ethics and responsible sourcing. Lastly, Aperam efforts in the field of decarbonization have brought great achievements, particularly the state-of-the-art R&D management forestry in Brazil, which led to a very good result in terms of CO2 sequestration. These sequestration results have been certified by external bodies, and we are very proud to announce very good CO2 emissions.
Absolutely. In the past, responsibility was more of a silent operating mode or a topic for companies eager to protect their branding. It was not a market differentiator. Today, customers are more and more attentive to the diffusion of responsibility throughout their supply chain, and regulations are more and more looking into that as well. And it's a must-have now also for market financing. In the end, the citizens are also the end consumers, and they will want together, combined, the responsibility on the one hand, together with cost and quality on the other hand. Indeed, I believe that a responsible company is better positioned to attract and retain talents and the most innovative and diverse people. This is really key for a company's innovation and creativity. In addition, it's also true in terms of business relationships. It allows to build sustainable partnerships and create long-term value. And what is true for business partners is also true for the civil society. We can build mutually beneficial relationship with them, with associations, with the local authorities, with partners in schools. So it's really long-term value for everyone.
We do believe that in the future, stainless steel will become an essential material for the sustainability of our communities. It is due to the fact that this material is made for life, due to its corrosion properties. It is endlessly and fully recyclable and plays an essential role in the technologies used for the energy transition. Having this in mind, we engaged Aperam on the way to a fully circular economy. The recent acquisition of ELG, together with the forestry management we have in Brazil with Bioenergia, or the subsidiary we have in France called Recyco, used mainly to recycle all the byproducts of our plants, we created a new division called Aperam Recycling and Renewables. This will also enable Aperam to support its decarbonization ambitions set by 2050. In parallel, we will also enlarge the scope of the units certified under the Responsible Steel Framework in order to structure the continuous improvement on all ESG domains and apply the best responsible practices. We aim to show the way in this industry.